Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Creek Classics. We are back here with a very excited and very anticipated episode. We are getting ready to marry the bed onto the chassis here of the truck. Blake got this thing all painted up, got all buffed out. Spent some time here on it. Got the tailgate all buffed out. And we got it off the rotisserie. Got the four corners sitting on the bed bottom here. So we're going to get this rotisserie out of the way. And he's going to put the truck up on the rollers. It's a little easier to maneuver the truck if we have to take the truck sideways, you know, or whatever, to get everything lined up. And not to mention the fuel and filler neck can be a little tricky because it's got to go up and in around the contour of the bed. So he's going to get them on, and we're going to get this on the chassis. So sit back and enjoy. All right, guys, so we got the bed on. Had a few difficulties here, but we got through. It was sitting a little bit low, so we put some shims in, about 3/8 of an inch. Got this line here and that line there a little bit better. So got it fitting pretty good. Did a little adjusting there. Got the sides pretty nice. Got the gaps pretty decent. So we're gonna continue on here and get the rest of the trim on the bed and get the gas door and stuff on, and we'll be back with an update.